Hi everybody, it's me, Aiden, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today, we're going to be making French fries using potatoes. The ingredients that we're going to be using are 2 cups of olive oil, the special potatoes. Potatoes. Which are big potatoes. Vietnamese, mustard, ketchup, and ranch. The items that we're going to be using are a metal skimmer. I'm a skimmer ghost. Ooh. Tongs, or some people call it little clippers. A knife, a cutting board. And guys, the number 1 rule when using a knife is safety first. A big bowl, another big bowl, a big pot, sifters, and a spoon, and a Ziploc bag, a big Ziploc bag. For the first step, we want to cut the bag open and grab 3 potatoes and throw them in the sifter. Guys, now we want to open it up and walk over. Guys, we want to cut it in half. Be careful, guys. Have a parent's help. You want to cut it one more time, like that. So you have these. Looks like a thing, right? Yeah. They're perfect fries. They'll be bigger in the process. We're almost done, and look how many fries we have. Wow. Yay, guys. We did it. We got fries. Just kidding. We need to fry them. This will become a fry. Ooh. That's enough. Guys, now we're going to bring it over and turn on the fire to high. When it starts to sizzle up, it'll tell me when the oil's ready. Yeah, I think now it's time to put a handful in. I'm going to start to use a skimmer. Stay tuned if you want to know my secret. My sister knows my secret. My mom knows my secret. My dad knows my secret. And I know my secret. You'll know the secret soon. Guys, so we need a plate to soak up the oil, paper towels. So first of all, you want to take 4 sheets of paper towels. You want to put it over. You want to take another 2 sheet. Place it vertically over it, like that. So then when you have a fry ready, you just put it on, and then you just fold these 2 straps over. Guys, let's go check on the fries. Wow, guys, look, we've got fries. Guys, we need to get the plate now. To close it up, push it down, and then you just wait a little bit. And now, take a look. Wow, they're perfect. Put it in a bowl. Uh-oh. Alright, now we want to put ketchup in the bag. Put ranch in the bag, because ketchup and ranch, Thousand Islands. Now, squirt in our mustard. Put a spoonful. Zip up the bag with all the sauces. Now, cup it. Shake. Shake. Shake it. So basically, guys, it coats the fries super well. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I'm finally doing it. Wow, that looks so good. Flip it over. Hold the corners. Guys, we made fries. Look. They're perfect. Wow. So good. Guys, I'm having a lot of fun making these videos. Please tell your friends, your brothers and sisters to subscribe.